So good evening you all and welcome to this session. So today I am alone and the next session with guest will be on coming Saturday. So before that I thought okay, let's give you overview what all we can achieve through valid gate score. So myself Dinesh Kumar, and I mentioned I pursued my masters from IIT Madras, MS in aerostructure. So I will share my story also today about my suffering due to 2 marks and my interview and my decisions and everything I'll share you. So before moving that, in that we will discuss what all different courses we can do in India or abroad through gate valid gate score. So here guys you can see we can do MTech or ME which is 2 year program in India through valid gate score either from IITs or from NITs or other central universities or private universities. Every year this MTech or ME course based program has 2 years, it's strict 2 years duration like BTech 4 year and then MTech or ME 2 year program. Then other master's program which are research based program in India, like earlier MS was more famous in Europe or USA or other countries, but now in India also there is a trend to do MS degree which is research based. And like abroad the course duration of MS or MTech with research is variable. Okay, it usually take 2 to 3 years in India. Okay, and here it is different from course based program, because in MS or MTech research you will have less subjects like you study in BTech, but there will be a good part of research where you have to publish thesis, some research paper, and you have to put lot much effort compared to MTech or ME. Usually those who have higher rank they opt for MTech or ME program, which will yield more of a kind of a job after your completion of program mostly. But with MS and MTech research you will have more options, like you can opt for job like me or any other my friend, like many of my friends opted for a job. Or you will have another option to pursue PhD abroad or PhD in India, or do good research work. Okay, even now some of my friends at IIT Madras they started their own startup, which they take a project from DRDO and ISRO in collaboration with IIT Madras after even PhD as well. Okay, so this is about briefly about MS or MTech and how it is different from MTech or ME course based program. Then there is an option for direct PhD. So there are different institute who provide after BTech direct PhD program, and there again it depends on your interview, your gate score, your BTech background and the way you present. We have students who have already got in direct PhD in IIT Bombay, also in ISC Bangalore also, but we are not in in ISC Bangalore with around rank 120 direct PhD in 2020. Okay, and there is another program called MDES. So MDES program is basically design based program, like engineering design department in IIT Madras or in IIT Kanpur also. I think this program is there in ISC Bangalore. It is very famous. Okay, they're like project like product design and all the work they do. Yes, GATE AE score is applicable for MDES, this for MDES course. Okay, and we know one of students, Sachit, your senior batch student, Swati is there, super senior students from RV College. She got in this program, in MDES program in ISC Bangalore. And then another good is a direct PhD, but under PM scholarship. So there you can get a very good earning, like up to 80,000 per month under this scholarship. But again, you need to have very good GATE score. And we know one student from IIST Sipur, Himanshu Giria. IIST Sipur guy is there? Anyone today in meeting? I think uh, any of IIST Sipur guy joined? No. So we know one guy, he got
Yes, sir.
his, yeah.
I went once in December 2019 for internship.
Okay. Yeah. So from
Yes.
that institute, we know one student got in 2019, I think 2019 batch, this PM scholarship. Okay. So that is also there. Then you guys can do management courses also, not just technical courses. Like management courses, MS is there in IIT Madras in Department of Management Studies. So you guys suppose want to earn more, like last time one guy told I want which car, Lamborghini. What is that? I even cannot pronounce that car name. So if you want to earn more, okay, then yeah, I will come to that point. What is your name? Subham Jaiswal, IIEST Sipur. Yeah. So you can do management courses also. Okay, not just from IIT Madras. You guys will be knowing one very famous college, NITI in Bombay, NITI in Industrial Engineering. So some of the IIST, you know, the 2019 rank one guy, he didn't join IISc Bangalore. He joined that Bombay college, NITI, NITI, NITIEE, NITI. So there, you know, people do masters in industrial management, and then they get placed with a very high package or good package if you compare with aerospace industry. Okay. So if you have top 10 kind of rank or top 20 rank, you can get in that college, because there are many good ranker from other branches, especially like mechanical or any other branch. They like to opt in that institute. Okay. So this is about if you, about management courses. And you can do masters abroad also with a valid GATE score. Even our last year student Rajpreet, he got in University of Munich in Germany, but he didn't join there due to his scholarship reason, but he got admission. Okay, TU Munich, Technical University of Munich in Germany. Okay, but he joined ISC Bangalore, so that is another option. You can study in Germany. Germany is, you know, even studies are cheaper. If you compare, our lifestyle is also cheaper if you compare with US or any other country. So that's another option. And you can also do masters from Singapore. You will be knowing there is a two university in Singapore from both. One is a National Singapore University and another National Technical University of Singapore, something. So there also some of the students have joined, you know, previously. Even the guy who joined in ISC Bangalore for direct PhD program, he got there, but he couldn't join in Singapore again. You know, the cost of life is more there. Okay. But if you are not having financial problems and if you have good GATE score, you can apply there and try to get there. Now what all areas we have? Okay, like in which all areas we can apply through GATE AE score. So always your favorite area, being aeronautical engineer or aerospace engineer, will be aerodynamics, propulsion, aerostructure, flight physics and control. Then there are other areas like fluid machinery, turbo machinery, machine design, thermal engineering, CAE, CAD, and CAM related courses, mathematical simulation, atmospheric sciences, applied sciences, computational sciences. So we can, choose our future or masters in all these area. Okay, not necessary to be in always in aerodynamics, because many of these will be interlinked. Okay, so if you are not having first four choice, then you can choose other choices also, because instead of wasting 1 year, I always say it is better to opt one good master's program, because it's not necessary next year again you will get best. Nobody can assure. Okay, so there are plenty of the areas in which in technical areas in which we can work with GATE AE score. And what are non-technical areas? As I mentioned, you can do masters in humanities, you can do masters in management courses, you can also do masters in industrial engineering, as I mentioned, from NITI College, Mumbai. Okay, now to do a masters in technical or non-technical, what all preferences we have? So always the first preference for most of aero guys is ISC Bangalore, then IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT KGP, IIT Guwahati, IIT Hyderabad. So in all these IITs, 3 plus 4, 7 IITs, we have aero related direct courses like masters in propulsion or masters in structures or masters in flight physics or control or any other. Okay, even IIT Hyderabad, the department name itself is the Department of Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering. IIT Guwahati department is mechanical, but they have masters in aerodynamics and aeropropulsion. They also have masters in I think structural mechanics. So structural mechanics is nothing but structures. Okay, so these should be best preferences by all of you. And those who have a rank beyond like 30-40 rank, they must all apply to all these IITs. Okay, they must apply. Those who have under 20 rank or under 30 rank, they can just choose, first 5 option. Okay, so that's fine. Or if they have further interest like management or industrial engineering and all, then they can apply, the colleges like NITI or IITs. Okay, where masters in management is available. Now, other than that, we can also apply in IIT Delhi in applied mechanics department. But in IIT Delhi, the cutoff in applied mechanics will be very high. Okay, because many people choose IIT Delhi for several reasons, including, some people want to prepare for UPSC, so they choose IIT Delhi specifically. Okay, so but there is another IIT, IIT Bhubaneswar. There, and in IIT Delhi also we have seen one of the student joined from Aero in atmospheric sciences, but I am not sure anyone joined in applied mechanics department. In IIT Bhubaneswar, as in last session we have seen Pritam, he has joined IIT Bhubaneswar, and prior also many Aero people have joined. Okay, in atmospheric sciences. Then we have other IITs. There also we can apply and we can try and fight like IIT Roorkee or IIT BHU, IIT Dhanbad, IIT Jodhpur, or IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Indore. In courses I mentioned like in thermal engineering or machine design uh, or what other courses like turbo machinery, fluid machinery, all these options are there. Okay, but again their cutoff will be high because more mechanical people apply. Okay, so it's like it is a bit tough with our GATE score from GATE aerospace branch to get in those courses, but we can always apply there. Okay, if reservation is also there or other factor works. Now, apart from these IITs, we have other good options like NIT Surat. Many of my friends has done a masters from NIT Surat, especially in turbo machinery. We study gas turbine engine, right? So So there is a master's in turbo machinery at NIT Surat, and now my those friends are working in General Electric and in other General Motor, in Safran, many other company. Okay. Then we have other options like NIT Warangal, NIT Suratkal. Yeah, many other apart from NIT Surat, people have done masters from NIT Allahabad, and they are working in core mechanical industries now. Okay, in fact in NSYS, Pune also some of my friends from NIT Allahabad working. Or there is company like this what is a company who make na this DG diesel generator. The famous company is there. What is that name, guys? Anyone? Which company is famous for this DG manufacturer? Kiosker, Kirloskar. Okay, some people working in Kirloskar. Okay. Then I have seen people have done masters from NIT Durgapur, NIT Silchar, Triple IIT DM, Kanchipuram, Chennai, and other colleges. So for all these colleges, the admission happens through CCMT. There are plenty of colleges, but these are more prominent colleges from where a student pursue masters. Then we have other three colleges, which basically I missed to mention here. One is, okay, I'll just mention here. Those are not through CCMT. Okay. One is DIIT, then IIST, and then I IIEST, Sipur. Okay. Yeah. So in DIIT Pune, as I told, there is aerospace department, but courses are very, like specific courses like masters in what we call in missile, okay, aerospace missiles and like that. So in industry, it is a bit tough to find job after pursuing such courses. So we suggest instead of that, pursue your masters in like mathematics simulation. Okay. Mm, instead of doing masters in aerospace related courses. Then IIST Sipur. So in IIST Sipur also there are different courses which are like aerodynamics, aeropropulsion, structures and all. So you guys can do from IST also. But in IIST Sipur college, masters is there in fluid mechanics and solid mechanics. They do not have masters like in aerodynamics or aeropropulsion like that. I have seen my friends from DIIT, IIST or IIEST Sipur. From all these colleges, they got placed, but not campus placement. Off campus, they placed like they got placed. Even one of my student, she did masters from IIST Trivandrum, currently working in Boeing. She couldn't get placed in campus placement. Then she joined Goodrich Aerospace in Bangalore off campus, and from Goodrich Aerospace she joined Boeing. Currently, she is working with Boeing. So all these possibilities are there with your good hard work. Then IEST guy Sipur, my friend, or you can say junior, currently is working in Whirlpool. In Whirlpool is famous for that, no? What you call washing machine and all, in the refrigerator. So LG is there, Whirlpool is there, many other companies are there. Okay, they also hire good candidate from good colleges like NIT Surat or IIEST Sipur and other places. So these are the options. Now if you take in Bangalore also, there is one college is there, VIIT Bangalore. Or then someone suggested JNCR is there. So you guys can write here, one more option is
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, what? So like I've heard DIIT Pune. In DIIT Pune, DRDO often recruits at scientist position via
No,
RIC.
they used to. Now they are not.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Hello. Yeah. Can you guys hear me?
Sir,
Yeah, actually, that system got off. Okay. I'll join back from my presenter. So, in what some question was there regarding DIIT, right? In from DIIT, they were hiring till 2014 from campus placement DRDO. But now they are not hiring. DRDO is not hiring through campus placement. Is it clear? So you have
yes,
to
sir.
search off campus job. We know we have one student, Mr. Sasmit Sanjay. Okay, so he has done a master's from there. Okay, and hello, am I audible?
Sir.
Yeah. So DIIT is not hiring now. DRDO is not hiring now. Okay, but that person who did from DIIT currently is working at GTRE. Okay, as a research fellow. Okay, and possibly he may get in DRDO scientist position because he got after also twice a very good rank 21 and rank 44. Okay, even while working. So see, you can do always masters, but if you are working doing masters in mathematics simulation, okay, from that department, then you can work in like artificial intelligence and all. So there the future is good, like data science and all. So that's what we suggest. You can do masters from DIIT because in DIIT also you'll get a scholarship and fee will be less. Like Surya, your question was there. This question, what will be the fee? Okay, what we say, a course fee and all. So if you do masters from any government institute in India, the fee will be very less, and you'll be getting MHRD scholarship, and that is 12,400. Okay. So JNCAR is there. So in JNCAR, there are master's courses in research-based courses are there. Okay, like MS course or MTech research. Okay. Now, guys, any concern or any doubt in different institute, different courses? Okay.
Hello, sir.
See,
Good evening,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. Good evening.
So, I had one doubt regarding this
Yeah.
placement and all. So, what are the placement stats in all those three top IITs for aerospace? Like, is it
See,
legitimate, or is it possibilities
see,
there that we'll end up in a core company or something like that?
see, that's good question, and I always try to avoid also, but that's good question you asked. Okay, It's not
Yes.
necessary you are in IIT and you'll get placed. You have seen your sir
Yes.
itself. Okay. One
Exactly,
of
sir.
the, yeah. So it's not. I have given example now. My IIST Sipur, sorry, IIST Trivandrum student currently working in Boeing. Okay. She is not from any IIT. Many of IITians didn't get in Boeing. Okay. Even after trying. So see, campus placement, job, and many other things depends a lot. What you do in your masters, when
Exactly.
campus placement happens, how you perform and all. So guys, never ever join any good institute just for sake of job, okay, or sake of
Exactly.
placement. See,
Sure.
if I take my example with my MS course itself, I have changed 4 5 companies in 9 years. Okay,
Okay, sir.
4 to 5. In fact, 5 company I changed. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
see, nobody is going to give you just a job just like that. Okay, but if you are really good, you will have options. Like now, if you take pandemic year, in pandemic also, you guys will might have heard IIT KGP is not good in placement, but
Yeah,
my
sir. People.
2019 batch, my student Mr. Nagraj from MVJ College, Bangalore, he was the first guy to get placed in Eaton. Eaton is one of the top company in aerospace, in aircraft systems. Then who said? He was the topper in his class. Even his rank was above 100, and we had another student's rank 41. Okay, in his class, he didn't maintain that much CGPA. He couldn't get placed. So gate rank will not assure you your job. Okay.
No, it's not rank, sir. It's about just college and the
No,
certain.
college also no, not at all. Not at all.
Okay. Then
Okay.
it's all same, right? No matter which
It's
college you go.
yes. It doesn't. If you are in top IIT, you will get your overall personality will improve. Your vision towards life will be broadened. Okay, you will get chance to meet many pioneer people like that. Okay, there are many good curriculum activities will be there in IITs. You'll have, see, if you pursue master's based course from IIT Madras or ISC Bangalore or any other place, you'll get even your conference paper abroad, even in your master itself, and it will be sponsored by IITs or like the completely it will be funded by government
Yeah,
or
sir.
IITs.
They pay
So
around three that it's included.
yeah, my friend, I have not done, but my friends have done. And what they got when they went abroad, they got even made some professor over there, and then later on they got PhD options also. Okay, like that happened. See, at IGC Bangalore, there were one guy called Mr. Naeem Khan. Now he's in China. He did masters from IIT Madras with a gate aero background in thermal engineering. Okay, in thermal engineering he did masters MS. Then he got placed in General Motor. Then he worked in Delphi, and now he's in China. That company name is what is the? It's a famous automobile company from China. It is known as Great Wall Company or something. I'll share. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then during his master's program, he went Malaysia for conference paper. Then there was another story. One of my senior went to Manchester University. Okay, for conference paper with my my senior. I sent Hypermesh CD, Hypermesh software to one of my student who was my MS student at Manchester University itself. Okay, now that Manchester University guy is working with General Electric. Okay, in UK itself, and now he is a UK resident. So all these possibilities there, right? And to that student I taught in Chennai. Uh, yeah, Great Wall Motors, exactly, Nitesh.
Actually, no, sir. The thing is, during my
So
final year,
what I am telling, my concern is here. please do not join any institute for just sake of job. Of course, everyone want good job, okay? And
sir.
nobody can assure nowadays a job. Even PM Modi will not assure, okay?
Yes, sir.
Job is like you have to work hard, then your luck should be there, your destiny should be there, and you have to approach in a right way, okay? So that's
Actually, sir, no, during my final year project, I did like a good project, like single, and my two research papers are pending. So, should I just go for the conference right now in these 3 months, or should I wait until I go to IIT? So, that
if
was
you
the
want to,
question.
if you get a chance in the right place, you can go, and you
Because
need
I
to have a
haven't
right
presented
guide.
like proper thesis, I have done like two, three papers I have to publish. So, I was asking for that. Should I do it right now, or should I wait
Now,
to
if you
go
have
to?
time, or if you have time, if you get fun to attend all those places like conference, either national or international, you can plan. So that's not an issue. But all those things helps actually. Now come to another advantage of GATE score. So GATE score may land up you guys in any other IIT or in any good institute as a research associate. Okay. Even my 2018 students, my 2019 students got in different IITs as a research associate. Later on, two of our students got master's program also. Okay, because they were already working in IIT with good GATE score. So they will have advantage to get master's program there. So that is like advantage of having good GATE score. Okay, and you guys have to
Okay.
try. Nobody will give just like, okay, you be at home and yeah, you have good GATE score and you will get. It's not like that. Revert, you anyway you will have good rank. I'm just talking for others, okay?
No, it's
So
fine,
you
sir.
guys have to approach professor. You guys have to write them a mail. I am having interest in this area. I have this much GATE score. I am free. I know this much, extra skill like some kind of programming language, or you are good in mathematics or any particular area. They may reply you after many months also. Okay, they may not reply you immediately. Sometime you may get reply, sometime you may never get reply, sometime you directly go to any big institute. I have one story I will tell. When I was doing my masters at IIT Madras, I got in touch with one my student, not my student, my fellow ASI mate from Mumbai. Okay, I
Okay.
did my BTech from Aeronautical Society of India. So my fellow ASI mate from Mumbai contacted me and was asking like what is the future after ASI and all. Okay, means the life was blank if you are not having good score in GATE, or if you have not done masters. So the guy who was in my contact was pursuing ASI in avionics branch, and parallel was doing BCA or BSc in computer science related work. I think BCA or something. Okay, because it was possible with ASI to do two different graduation courses. Then I
Yes.
suggested, since the guy was from Bombay and good in programming and in avionics, so I suggested to go to IIT Bombay and try for some internship. Okay, but the student was very good. Okay, uh, so the guy went to IIT Bombay, tried hard and got in IIT Bombay for internship. Okay, without even GATE score, with like skill set of programming and knowledge in avionics. Then later, after working 1 year around in IIT Bombay, first the guy got in Rockwell Collins in Hyderabad. Then further again she got in UTC Aerospace System in Bangalore. Now UTC Aerospace System is again taken over with Rockwell Collins. Like they got merged. Now it is Collins Aerospace. So after working in Collins Aerospace, the guy got opportunity to visit US and all. Okay, to work there also for a while. So all this possible, okay. If your destiny is there and if you try and if you get right mentor. I just suggested, okay, I didn't do anything. It came to my mind, you are in Bombay, where you can find internship. IITs are the right places, right, to get good internship. So you have to just go there and try. And the person was girl, okay. She might have tried, and sometime professor, they will have soft hand, right? They will not tell, okay, you can work, but we have more attitude, right? As a boy, we go and tell, okay, I know this, that, and also it may not work or work. So my saying is that you guys have to go there, right? Or have to try, then only option will come. So just try, okay, and try at all possible places, even if you are not having good gate score or good marks in a coming result, okay, and try as many places instead of again trying for 1 year or wasting 1 year. That's what my suggestion. Okay,
Sure.
you can write gate again. We have seen Sasmi Sanjay, he has done masters from DIIT, but again he wrote gate, he achieved rank 21. Even after that he was working in GTRE, even working always for many hours. He is very dedicated guy. He could got rank 41 last year. Okay, and there are some scientists, even they write gate every year, guys, just to get in touch with all basics. Okay, so writing again gate is not bad idea, but again, waiting, okay, I will do this year only, very good, whatever the reason and all excuses, then that's not good idea. Yeah. So Great Wall Motors, yes, yeah, Mr. Naim Khan works there. Okay. Even during pandemic he was there in North China. He told, there is no issue, in India we were struggling, so he was taught here. Yeah, Gate XC. Yeah, Gate XC, as I told in last meeting, have equal opportunities. Even Gate score will be higher in Gate XC if you compare rank by rank. So they see, my roommate was there, Pavan. Okay, I will tell my struggle. So we were roommate. He was my senior, Pavan Kumar from Rajasthan. I wrote my gate in Gate Arrow and I got rank 41, marks 57. That senior, because in ASI, sometime junior will take over senior, okay, because they will pass exam early, so they will become equal also. But he was my senior, so I used to say Pavan Bhaiya. Okay, what happened? In the same year, he wrote gate in XC. Fortunately, he got less marks but more gate score. Then he got IIT KGP Aerospace. In IIT KGP Aerospace, he was from XC. Even I was from Aero, I didn't get, but he got. Okay. Now, with that, he finished masters. Then he worked at Scient, and after that he joined DGCA. Okay, in DGCA earlier there were opportunity directly for experienced candidate in Aero. Now there is an exam through UPSC and all, or DGCA themselves takes exam sometime. Okay, so you guys have seen, this is one example.
Sir,
Like
what
that,
is the name of that exam?
in DGCA, they take exam through UPSC for this air safety officer, airworthiness officer. What is that? Not UPSC. One famous agency is there now who take exam. What is it? But DGCA take exam. Even Mr. Ram Soni, who is in DRDO, our student, okay, he also cleared the DGC exam and he got this post of airworthiness officer. Okay, but he didn't join there because he had another option of DRDO scientist. So Gate XC, in internet you will find many things, but in reality it is not different. It is only a short way to enter in IIT. Okay, this Gate XC is a short way. So guys, not to worry. If you have high GATE score in GATE XE, you should apply through that. Okay. I have seen people in IIT Madras. They have done masters with GATE XE. Okay. Even one of my junior, who is now IAS officer, is IAS officer. He did masters from aerospace from IIT Madras through GATE XE score, and he got placed in Airbus. Okay, but he didn't join because he went Delhi and prepared for this IAS preparation, because his family background is like that. His name is Parveen Chaudhary. Okay, he's in Gujarat currently. Okay, now tell me any other question till now here. Yeah, Singapore provide scholarship. No, Singapore, in Singapore you may not get scholarship. It's costly. Okay. Yeah,
Actually, sir, you
NIT,
NTU
NIT, yeah, NTU is costly.
planning to
No,
cancel that program, sir. I read about it. They had mixed program with Germany, right? They are canceling it this year, I guess. I read about it.
no, yaar, all these don't believe reading and try it. If you may not get, that's different. I'm not sure, but earlier it was there. But it is costly. If you have
Yes,
good
sir.
money, many SRM student will join there because already SRM is costly. So people may have good money. Yeah. NIT release MTech forms through not website, CCMT. Shivam, it will come through CCMT. Yeah. Now IIT Kanpur admission test. Yeah, come to that point, Priyavat. See, in IIT Kanpur, there were two kind of seats before pandemic year. Okay, before pandemic year, there were two kind of seats: direct admission and admission through admission test. So direct admission they will give to few toppers, okay, top ranks. Then remaining seats they used to fill through admission test. I have seen from my 2019 batch, four students got in IIT Kanpur written test for till rank 169, I think 169 or 163. So if your basics are good like mathematics, fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, easily you will get through Kanpur admission test. Okay, even at IGC we were teaching this what topic, complex variable, every year. Okay, even it was first time included in GATE aerospace syllabus, because in IIT
Yes, sir.
Kanpur in written they will give a question from complex variable every year. Okay, so these
Okay,
are
sir.
the advantages were there with IGC student. But beyond that also, I know one student who had rank above 200 got in IIT Kanpur through admission test. Okay, her name
Okay,
is
sir.
Karishma. So now in pandemic year there was no option to take test, so they have considered, I think, BTech marks also. Okay, the admission was
Okay, sir.
bit random in IIT Kanpur in 2020, but still many IGC student got. Okay, that's like a
Okay.
different thing. Okay, now another question, which is good, IIST or NIT? I'll say if you look from job perspective, NIT will be good, because from if you are doing masters in NIT, you can always do your MTech project in good MNC like General Electric, General Motor. Now General Motor nowhere in India because it was merged with engineering department, got merged with TCS. But there are different many MNCs are there, or many mechanical companies are there. There you can do your MTech project. Yeah, another question. Gate XC again. What you guys want in more detail? See, personally, I know plenty of people. They got succeeded. With 35 marks, actually, it will be very tough. until unless you have reservation category like SC ST, you can't get in IIT MTech. Even research based course will be also bit tough. If you have reservation, then also in IIT it is bit tough. 35 marks means your gate score maximum will be 500. It cannot go beyond that. With 500 gate score, it is bit tough. Yeah. Sir, admission process starts in June in COP. No, admission process will start. We will inform. Like ISC, it will start as early. Okay, by March 18 only. Then different IITs will have different application form. But COAP and one more portal will be there, na, where offer will come. That is like for admission process. But admission application and all, you guys have to apply separately at different IITs. Okay. COAP, I think it is for that is for offer and all. Yes. Now what is that? Another question is there in. Okay. Yeah. Now you see, I have told if I take example IIT Madras, I will tell about IIT Madras. In IIT Madras, you can apply in many department. Okay. If you want to apply MS course, see in MS course, if you want to take just example of IIT Madras, I will okay, let me write here that all options. Okay, where all you can apply in IIT Madras itself. In aerospace department, I'll write AE. You can apply in mechanical. In mechanical also there are 3-4 division. One is thermal engineering, machine design, manufacturing and all. Then you can apply in ocean. You can apply it in applied mechanic department. You can apply in civil department also. See, I am giving all these example because many of our group people has done. My one of junior has done even MS in civil with aero gate score. Because in civil also there is a structures, right? Civil structure. Okay, so it's all just department name. You can apply in all. You can also apply in engineering design. So it's clear. You have plenty of option to apply in single IIT also. Okay. Similarly, if you take ISC Bangalore also, you can apply in many department. Okay. For MTech program also, they will give options. Okay, what all options you have. If you go other than aero, mostly you will have interview. Sometime in especially in coming session, there will be exam also. For these masters research based courses, they may take exam also. Why? Anyone? Why they may take exam? Yeah, guys, anyone? Why take there? Because candidate will be more. The number of candidate applying in coming session will be more. So even they may take exam also. Yeah, one advantage is the lower gate score people will also get call. Okay, for that's the advantage. Now what is like MSc in physics and math from Premium Institute? See, Subham, in aerospace in IIT Madras there is one professor M Ramakrishna. He works in especially CFD, and he used to try to get students from physics background and mathematics. But I have not met any student personally, okay, who has done MS in physics or math and currently in aerospace. I have not met. Clear?
So what about PSUs from GATE score?
In PSU, you need to have, if you are from general, you need to have above 800 GATE score. But in PSU also will get call. In fact, Mr. Akshay, he was ranked 120, but with EWS quota, he got call for DRDO. Okay, in last interview when Ram Soni got selected. Now, even I will give the example, even rank 1 was rejected for DRDO scientist position. Can you guys think of? The GATE 2019 rank 1, you guys know from which institute came 2019 GATE rank 1? You guys will be knowing. He didn't got in DRDO. Again, he's trying now for coming interview.
Why? What could have been the reason, sir?
Simple interview performance. You know, the guy who is from not IIT Bombay, he did masters in mechanical from IIT Madras. He was a rank 1, not IIT Bombay. Our student was from IIT Bombay, Mr. Ram Soni. He was ranked 27, okay, but he had OBC quota, so maybe he may have got this DRDO position with the OBC quota also, but it depends. Okay, I'm not pretty sure what they asked in interview. He has shared me. The first question was what is total strength, right? What is total strength for any given loading? What is total strength? You can have two different loading, right, for any structure. So the question what you have learned in GATE will help you even if you go there for interview. So that is different, we'll discuss. Now, how to prepare for these MS or MTech research courses. So guys, first of all, you have to decide one area in which you want to pursue your this MTech or research or MS. In which area you want to do. Okay, is this point clear? So first you have to select that. So let's, if you want to do your masters in aerodynamics, because these research based courses will be specific to one particular area, not like generalized your MTech program like in IIT Madras, or if you take ISC Bangalore or IIT Kharagpur. But if you take IIT Bombay or IIT Kanpur, they have specific masters like MTech in structures or MTech in aerodynamics, MTech in propulsion. But if you take IIT Madras, they have only MTech in aerospace. There you can study any subjects or anything. But if you do masters like MS or MTech research, if you choose aerodynamics as your area of interest, then what you have to prepare, you have fluid mechanics well, aerodynamics and gas dynamics well. So well means what? You need to read books, okay? Don't try now and solve question. Suppose you take fluid mechanics, they always they will ask Navier-Stokes equation, or you find some particular equation from Navier-Stokes equations. So you know the derivations should be on your fingertip. And like conservation equation, they will ask different form of conservation equation in integral form or in differential form, or how you derive. All these things are very important with your basic engineering mechanics. And then in gas dynamics, they may puzzle in, you know, shock waves and other derivation part. So this is what my suggestion. If you want to choose aerodynamics as your area of research or area of interest, be thorough with engineering mathematics, fluid mechanics, aerodynamics and gas dynamics. And please refer fluid mechanics like by Sanjal and Simbala or FM White. Now if you choose your area of interest, propulsion, so now start reading again engineering mechanics, thermodynamics, gas dynamics and your propulsion. So in propulsion again you have two area like jet propulsion and rocket propulsion. So you can mention what is your area of interest, and mostly in India much research is happening in rocket propulsion. Okay, less research in, in academia. More research will be in rocket propulsion rather than jet propulsion. Okay, in combustion also some good research happening, and in rocket propulsion many projects are there, either from ISR or DRDO with different institutes. Okay, so guys, read good books. Okay, without don't wait. And one more thing, what mistake students do, what mistake usually students do, once they see their marks are low, they will get frustrated, they will start getting depression. Okay, and what happened, all of a sudden they will get a call for interview and their preparation will be nil. Most of you who get a gate score around 500 or let's more, or even 450 plus, will get a call for this program, MS or MTech research program. And if you wait till to get a call, then nothing can be achieved. Okay, nothing can be achieved. You have to start your preparation right away from tomorrow or today. Okay, that is what my suggestion. So please take or choose a particular area, start reading books. Gone is gone. You cannot change your gate result now. But what you can change, your interview you can change. Okay, you can perform well, you can be confident. Okay, like that you have to do. And see, sometimes this also works. One of the students I know in 2019, he went IIT Madras one day before interview and he met one of the professor. Okay, and he discussed few things and he performed well in interview and he got selected. His rank was even around 170. Okay, and even 87 ranker didn't get. So it's all many things may work. Okay, you have to be spontaneous. You can approach once like result is out, any professor. Okay, just write them mail if you have interest, you want to work, like that. Okay, sometime that professor may take positively, sometime they they may take negatively also. Okay, all these possibilities are there. So just I want to be clear from my part. Now if you take structures, which was my area, okay, you have to study engineering mathematics, engineering mechanics, SOM, strength of material, vibration, thin wall structure. So in my interview, the complete interview was focused on basic elasticity, which I teach you guys very in somewhat in better way, right? So they asked me, to write equilibrium equation. Then I started deriving equilibrium equation in 3-dimensional form. Usually now I derive in 2-dimensional form and then extend. Then they asked questions from Mohr circle. Then they asked one question from indeterminate beam and all. So these kind of questions they may expect. And how I got selected, it's all due to because I read Gare very well. When I got call for interview, I started reading Gare. I applied only in one department in IIT Madras, only one department in aerospace, and I was the only candidate who got selected that particular session. Okay, it was my good luck, and ultimately I read Gare very well, and it helped me a lot. Okay, so this. Now, if you want to do masters in control and system, again, you have to study engineering, mathematics, mechanics, and flight mechanics very well. Okay, now tips you are asking to prepare mathematics very well. It's very simple. Please read now Erwin Krejcik. So, actually, what is the differential equation, guys? What is the physical meaning of differential equation? Anyone can tell? You guys might have solved many questions of differential equation. See, differential equation are nothing but what? We can model any physical phenomenon in form of mathematics by help of what? Differential equation. Is it clear? any physical phenomenon. It can be economic phenomenon also, right? Because suppose one quantity depends on several variables, right? Then it has to be modeled by what? Differential equation. So like that, they give very nice explanation. If you read Irvin Krejcik, the all focus will be on basics, okay? And IIT professors and all, they refer such good books only. They are not going to refer H.K. Das, Grewal and all. You guys might have referred for your GATE, practice part. So that's what. And in last meeting it was told, right? Akshay has shared his experience for mathematics. He told like they started with very basics, linear algebra, or they may start with vector. They may ask like what vector a plus b equal to what, see how, like three vector summation and all, multiplication. So these are the common area from where they will start, like vector or linear algebra, differential equation, calculus. So be thorough in all these, okay? And sometime, so you have to refer, no, complete Irvin Krejcik you cannot study in 2 months, but you should refer all those topics which are there in GATE syllabus. And predominantly asked topic in interview will be what? Linear algebra, numerical methods, okay, calculus basics, vector calculus and vector this, okay, or differential equations. So like 4-5 topics you have to study very well, but you must refer that only. Now no more practice is required. Now it's more about conceptual learning, okay? In GATE you need to have first conceptual learning and then more practice, but here for any interview it is all about conceptual learning. Because they will give clue when you go for interview. They will not just put a question, they will also suggest you how to solve that question, okay? They have done for my MS interview. When I went for, they gave me one indeterminate structure, like one beam, and they connected with one spring, and they applied one load at common junction, and they asked me how to solve, how you will find deflection. You guys have seen, right? That is a GATE question also. You have to read theory, no solving question. You try to understand fundamentals, just reading. Now don't try and solve any question, guys. Any book you read, either FM White, Sanjal and Bowles, or Gare, or Irvin Krejcik, or Vibration like SS Rao, or any Grover, or any book, not required to solve any question. Sir, WhatsApp group. No, PDFs are there in book folder, na? In IGC GATE Aerospace book drive is there, na? Where all these books are there. So you guys can refer. So it is clear how to deal with interview, how to go about interview preparation. Because if you take propulsion, IIT Madras may take one exam also before your MS interview, okay? In propulsion, syllabus will be more of this only: thermodynamics, gas dynamics, propulsion, mathematics. They may take exam because more candidate may come for interview. And usually they will call more people. Flight mechanics, flight mechanics, if you want to read good, like Anderson, like performance, the part by Anderson you can study. Then Mikhail V. Cook is there, and Nilsson is there, right? So these 3-4 books are there. And you may contact our Nitin sir and Navneet sir if you want for that topic specific part. But one thing I want to tell you, Lokesh, in flight mechanics also you need to be good in underdamped part, okay? This part which we study in vibration, okay? Especially like response and all, damping, response. Yeah. Dynamic stability, I have forgotten basically, Subham. So you can write in group. We will ask sir. But Mikhail V. Cook is good book for dynamic, and Nielsen also. Okay. So any other doubt or concern regarding admission options, interview, gate score, marks, job? See, I have seen job is more about person. Okay, nobody will assure you a job. I am saying you guys upfront. Okay, nobody assured me also a job. I have earned my all jobs on my ability. Okay, tomorrow I will provide also job to many aerospace guys. In coming future, it will be all on my ability. So, guy giving job or taking job, it's yeah. Oh no, no online test. They didn't do last year. I'm not sure this year. They didn't took any exam. Instead, that they considered your undergraduation marks and percentage. No, no courses in any IIT. Space dynamics and launch vehicle design analysis. But in some IIT, they will teach you hypersonic, aerodynamics and all. Some courses will be there, but no specialization. These are there in DIAT. Okay, some courses are there in DIAT. But DRDO is not giving job, then what is the use of those doing courses? Again, you have to struggle more outside for job. Yeah. Yes, guys. Yeah, GTRE apprentice worth doing, Sakti Prakash. See, GTRE apprentice, yes, it's doing worth. Earlier days it was worth because people used to get outside job in like Quest Global or in any other company. But now aerospace is in trouble, specifically after pandemic. So I'm not sure what will be the condition, but in GTRE you may earn good experience, but you will not get financial benefit. They may give very poor. Like you can have this option, you can do apprentice and same time prepare again for gate if your score is not worth this year, like that. But earlier days many GTRE people got in many good places. Yeah, it's like professor, you can put a mail, but sometime like young professor may reply, but if professor is old they may not reply also. It's tough to get reply from professor. PhD, doing PhD from anywhere is great only, not just from India. Usually, like it is good to do masters from India and do PhD from abroad. Of course, this year paper was tough, yeah. As per my understanding, this year paper was tough. What you guys say? The result is not worry. You guys may get good result, but end of the day, the your score should be good, now. That's worry. No, no, no. Everyone got struggled. Okay. Usually last year in IGC exam, those were getting na 45, 50 marks. They were getting 65 and 70 marks in GATE exam. But this year in IGC, those were getting 75 marks or 70 marks. They also got struggled in GATE exam. Because this year students in IGC were more sincere compared to last year's. So the paper quality was better. There is no deny in that. Okay. No, MSQ is not concerned here. MSQ didn't make paper difficult. Actually, NAT only made paper difficult, especially structures, propulsion. See, last year propulsion was cakewalk. Okay, last year propulsion was cakewalk. This year it was very good question. Okay, propulsion, structures, and aerodynamics, all three were good this year. Even last year, 5 questions were there from basic elasticity. Very simple question, right? You guys have seen 2020 gate paper. Structures was not tough. Okay, hardly 1 or 2 question. One question. No, MSQ were not. MSQ, how it will be lengthy? Only one questions from structures vibration was MSQ lengthy. Otherwise, all the MSQs were theoretical question. This year the issue were NATs. All the 2 marks questions were lengthy. Okay, except this aptitude, mathematics, and flight mechanics. I think paper was tougher, and but still, if you compare with 2017, people will do well. Okay, people will do well. At least from IGC, I'm not sure from other institute. Okay, and result will be there. Those who have prepared well, but again the issue is gate score. Okay, see, when you have more marks, of course your gate score will be more, na? Getting my point? If marks itself is very less, then how gate score can be drastically very well? It cannot be like that. So everyone has to have some, good marks. Then only gate score will scaled. So anyway, there will be plenty of people between 45 to 50 around. Okay, more people are there between you can say the range like 45 to 50 to 53. More people are there. Reason, aptitude, and math was easy, but there are less people above 55. So those who have above 55, they will for sure they will have very good rank. And even in last year paper, 50 marks were not bad. Okay, even 49 marks. So those who having marks around 50, 49 should not worry. But those who are having around 45 marks, they may get possible top 100 rank also, but their gate score has to be good. Okay, then only they will have good options. Yeah, any other question, guy? So let's wait, na? It will come, result will come, right? In next 15 days, result will come, right? Why to worry now? Start reading what is your favorite subject. Let's fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, or solid mechanics, and every one of us can improve, right? There is so see, if you are aerospace or aeronautical engineer by choice, then you must put effort. If you are by chance, then you may choose other options. Okay. See, cutoff is not going to impact us anyway. Like suppose it's even 28 marks, 25 marks, 30 marks. Those who are getting 30 marks, there is almost there will not have any option with general or even with OBC reservation. See, what can we do after clearing cutoff? Not much options, guys. If you are not having SC/ST reservation, even for them also you need to have 35-40 marks. In 2017 kind of paper, they may get some options with 30 marks, but earlier they were requiring like 2018 paper or 2019 paper 40 around marks in SC/ST. Now this year they may get some good options with 30-35 with SC/ST OBC like category. OBC or EWS general, they will have SAM, like you need to have 50 around marks. Yeah. Yeah, what is the minimum gate score required? I told Dinesh you will get mostly they call up to 250 rank. Even higher ranker will be called for MS interview. First they will take written exam, then they will take interview. See, anyway, Dinesh, I suggest you to join any good institute wherever you get it. Wherever you get it, okay. If you get in IIT, it is well and good. Okay. So don't worry, MS interview call will come or not. Let's take no. In MTech aerospace, no interview test. But if you go for MTech in other branches, then they may take interview or test for you. Like if you apply for other multidisciplinary branch, like that. Okay. So I think I have done from my side. Any other question? Otherwise we will wind up, and Saturday we will have last session. There we will have 3 guest speaker, and they will tell about their MS experience from IIT Madras, one guy, IIT Kanpur another guy, and we'll have one guy who has applied in Germany through GATE score, so he will tell more about that. Okay. So thank you guys, do well, and those who are getting marks less than 50 or 45, they must read good books. Others also should read good books, but those who are not having safe marks like 35 to 45, they will have good options if they can prepare, well for interview. Okay, right. So thank you guys, all the best.
You, sir.